Samsung 11.6 inches Chromebook. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I bought this Chromebook basically out of curiosity. I've never had a Chromebook before, but I have owned Windows, Apple, and Linux systems. I wanted to see just how useful it really is when used as a laptop replacement. I think a large percentage of the laptop community still has no freaking idea what Chrome OS is. They were spoon-fed Windows from birth. This review will make sense to the tech community. For the Win world, not so much. This Chromebook uses a somewhat customized version of Android operating system. My reading suggests about version 4.4. Before you let that dissuade you from getting one, it actually works quite well. The screen is not touch sensitive, but the trackpad recognizes a two-finger touch as a context menu, akin to a Windows right-click. Access to the Play Store allowed me to quickly populate it with everything I needed to get through my day. I can work with zip, tar, and other compressed formats, and open almost any file I set my sights on. The one exception was a docx Word file. My word processor only handled doc files. I could probably get around this by using the online version of MS Word, but haven't tried that yet. Since tax season is coming up, I tried 3 of the more popular online tax packages to see how they worked with it. I was able to work in TurboTax, TaxCut, and H&R Block without any issues. The TurboTax version uses a very cool import to take a PDF copy of your W-2 and import and fill in all the fields. This worked flawlessly. I was also able to connect my wireless Brother printer in a matter of minutes. This is kind of impressive for an older version of Android, but by simply downloading the Brother application for printers, I had set it up without hardly any intervention from me. It just found it, like Win 10 does with wireless printers. This Chromebook comes with 32 gigabytes of storage but has the ability to use an SD card for an upgrade. I was able to upgrade it with an additional 256 GB for no more than $65. The response time on applications was well within the margin of what you would expect for a normal laptop. Everything opened quickly and applications did what they were supposed to do without any hesitation. I will say that on first impressions, the plastic casing of the Chromebook looks kind of cheap. But then again, it is kind of cheap. At less than $200 you're not going to get a stainless steel case. This would make a perfect workbook to take on a plane and get some work done, or something to just sit around and browse internet all day. The battery life is supposed to be at around 11 hours, and from what I've seen so far it looks like it would make that. I was able to use it off and on pretty much all day and only used about 50% battery reserve. It is also less than 3 pounds. It's so light you can forget you have it with you. It also is not bad for watching movies on. I installed the Netflix app and streamed several hours of video with no dropouts. All said, I think this makes a good inexpensive all-around computing device as long as you have generic tasks, watching videos, browsing, writing your book. If you don't need to compile code for your daytime job, you will do fine. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.